Welcome to Quick 3D Tutorials. In this video we want to talking about the second visualize feedback animation from Maya, which is the ghost. Before this we have actually another plugin called PH Ghost, and that is actually better to use. It's going to make kind of like drawing on the mesh. But the thing is, with this one, in using the Maya, is going to be much using less memory. So if you have like a heavy character or a heavy scene, and if you want to use this ghost, it's going to slow your process down. So I highly recommend to use that. We're going to make a video about this, how we can use it. But for now, we just want to show you this tool that are existing in Maya for the sample project. So what we have here, we have a simple animation, and when we're going to use the ghost, it's going to give you a preview where this thing's going to fly to. So first of all, to do this, you should not select the mesh, but you need to select the root control of your character or the vehicle or what we have. So then you're going to go select it. I just reset the settings. So the first option, we have the global preferences, and if I go into this setting for the animation inside the display animation, that is actually controlling by this one. So that is an option we can choose with. The second one is the custom frame. What that's mean? It's mean I want to have a ghost preview of this in frame 1 and in frame, let's see, 48 and frame 100 and so on. So what I can do, I can just type this number. So I type number 1, number 20, and then number 50, and number 75 and 100, and I can just click apply. So what I getting, actually I'm going to getting a 3D vision of this ghost. So you can see in this frame I have in this frame I wanted to have the ghost, so I'm going to get it. So I have like more control about where this object going to fly to. If you want to deleting it simply, you cannot see anything inside outliner. You should go to this. Of course, you can select it or even just unghost everything if you want. So now we're going to log to the second one. Same thing over here. You're getting it. So the second one, we have something called frame steps. So it's going to show me how many ghosts of this one I want. So let's see, I want to actually have a 2. And that is actually the size of it, how near they are together. So I just starting point number 10 to you going to see it. And at the same time, I'm going to slide my animation. You can see we getting a preview of 2 actually before and after. And they have red and blue, and you can see how it's this one behaving, and this is because we have the step size bigger. If I'm going to make it smaller, it's going to be a little bit near together. Let me show you. Go just to unghost everything by object selected. Let's put this to 5. So what I see, the ghost's preview is more or less near. Okay, just unghost this once again, and we have another option called the keyframe. So when you have the keyframe, every area I have making a keyframe for it, I'm going to get this preview. So frame 1, frame 48, and frame 100. So just apply it. So in this frame I have making a keyframe, so I have only 3 keyframes, so I'm going to get this ghost preview. And of course you can change it to be time slider or even a special start and end frame. And there are also other options what you want to actually get Ghost's preview, so if it is a joint or the locator or even geometry. But keep in mind, is actually going to slow you down when you working with a bigger project. But for simple one, is work fine. So then anytime you are finished, just unghost everything so you are back to the default one. Thanks for watching.